As you already seen, we are getting the Dodge today. Let's find the craziest Dodge car and let's buy it, guys.
2 hours later.
So finally we got one. Let's buy it and go to the unboxing.
1 week later.
So finally the product is here, guys. Let's unbox it and let's see that the Dodge is good or bad. So let's open it. Look at that. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Previous week we got the Lambo and this week we got the Dodge. The Dodge is looking crazy, guys. See. Can you see the design? This car costed me 350 rupees, 355 approximately, and design wise, guys, this is crazy. This is looking crazy. I will give all the things. Design wise, guys, look at it. It's on full black with the white stripes over here, the Dodge branding over here. You can open it. The doors are looking crazy, and look at the front, guys. Fully metal. This part is not metal, this is plastic, but this everything is metal, guys. Look at it. Just another good car in my collection. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, do like, comment and share, and subscribe our channel Collecting with You for more such content. Thank you guys for watching our video. Peace out.